I'm sure you guys noticed, but I changed into somewhat of an outfit. It's really not an outfit, it's just pieces that I was able to grab easily because I don't have any energy to think of a full outfit. So I threw on a jacket with some loose jogger pants. These are from Amazon. I love them. They're the dupes for the Lululemon. So I'll link these down below. And then I just threw on a hat because this is like my casual, comfy vibe. I'm actually running out to a Desi store to go shopping for an Eid outfit. There's a new store that just opened up here in Houston. It's a Pakistani like designer boutique and they have some really cute pieces. So I'm gonna quickly go browse for an Eid outfit maybe, and then I need to stop at the mall to return some stuff. So we're gonna do that and then we'll come back and make iftar. I did want to quickly talk to you guys about something really important and I'm really hoping that you guys can help me with this initiative. So this year I am an ambassador for Islamic Relief USA, which is such an honor, honestly, for them to select me and for me to be able to use my platform to do good and to help others. It honestly just means the world to me. So last year I partnered with them and I raised $15,000 for Yemen, and this year we're running a campaign to raise money for Ethiopia, which they are just a beautiful, deserving community. Unfortunately, they're going through a lot of political issues and they also went through a major drought that displaced about 2 million people. They're living in shelters and tents and it's honestly so heartbreaking. just to see the condition and the way they're living in the month of Ramadan. Can you imagine like fasting and not being able to, at the end of the day, go back to like a clean bed or go to a safe space? That is literally the life they are living. If you guys can donate, it would mean the world to them, especially to change their lives. There's about two-thirds of the population is in severe poverty. So can you imagine like not being able to open your fast without any food? It's just so heartbreaking. So if you can donate, please do. I will put my link down below. And just for preface, if you donate $75, you can feed a family of 5 to 7 people for the entire month of Ramadan. Can you imagine feeding somebody for every single day for iftar? Like, what a blessing and what a like generous thing that is to do. So if you can, please donate. I will be donating as well. I will put my link down below. My goal is to reach $15,000 or double that from last year, but inshallah, whatever we can. I know you guys are super generous and you guys were there for me last year, so hopefully this year we can also do the same and do good for others. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and now we shall get in the car and go. I'm making chicken chipotle bowls. I saw this recipe on TikTok and it looked super easy. So all you need are chicken thighs, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika powder, salt, black pepper, and then this is the star of the show, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. So just mix this up and then you grill it. I made a cilantro sauce, I guess. It's melted butter and chopped cilantro, and you're supposed to like swipe it over the chicken. Put it there. Coating it with this so it stays juicy. So this is the chipotle bowl. This is the chicken that I made. It actually turned out really, really good. And then I used some black beans, some corn. I made some guac. And then there's some raw onions. And then I drizzled it with some sriracha because I thought that would be tasty. So you can also make this on a bed of rice. That would be really good. But this is what I'm eating. I put on my mom's abaya for the masjid. We're heading out to Taraweeh and I'm so excited because this is my first day going since Ramadan started. So there's already been 2 nights of Taraweeh and today's going to be my first. So I'm going to leave my camera at home so I can really focus and get in some really great prayer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll try to like film a small clip from my phone from prayer just so I have like a little montage for you guys. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Come back tomorrow. I am working tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, so it's going to be a little bit difficult, and we'll see what my schedule pans out like. But yeah, you guys come with me. We're on this ride together. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. ومن أهل الكتاب من يتأمنه بقنطار